Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. Manufacturing has long been the backbone of India's economic strength. It is a sector that builds, innovates, and powers industries, driving employment, exports, and global competitiveness. While technology and services often dominate the headlines today, we are here to recognize the true architects of India's industrial powerhouses, the manufacturing leaders who are inspiring and shaping industries and creating world-class enterprises. India's manufacturing landscape is vast and diverse, spanning industrial products, pharma, whole bunch of sectors and so on. When we started the Hurun India rich list about 13 years back, the top three sectors were, one of them was software and services, and then you had a couple of other sectors. But then now, fast forward 12 years now, the top three sectors that created the most amounts of wealth creation, drove most amount of wealth creation in India from manufacturing sector. So that's how we could see the progress firsthand. Today it is with immense pride that we introduce the very first edition of DET Hurun India Manufacturing 400, which is an initiative that highlights India's 400 most valuable manufacturing companies. This list is not just a list, it is a celebration of resilience, innovation, and long-term success. Just to explain the sort of methodology, the report's being launched today. We're waiting for Mr. Godrej to arrive. But these companies are ranked based on value with market cap, and we've used the threshold date of November 2024. The top 400 threshold is roughly US dollar 500 million. And here are some of the key highlights of the 2024 DET Hurun India Manufacturing 400. The combined value of these 400 companies stands at a staggering US dollar 2 trillion, which is equivalent to the combined GDP of Saudi Arabia and Poland. And this is an increase of 37% compared to last year. If we had supposed to do a list similar like that last year, this number would have gone up by 37%. These companies generate a total revenue of almost US dollar 600 billion, with Reliance being the top company in the list. They together employ they provide about 3.5 million jobs as well. If you look at the sector, the top sectors in the list, industrial products is the largest sector with 75 companies, pharma with 67 companies, automobile and auto components with 48 companies, and they contribute almost 25 lakh crores and 23 lakh crores respectively. One interesting aspect that we found in the list is the top three cities contributing to the list. If you look at any Hurun list, the top three cities are usually, it's Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. But if you look at the DET Hurun India Manufacturing 400 list, the number one city is Mumbai, followed by Kolkata, then Hyderabad. So that's an interesting new perspective that's come out in terms of where are the real sort of manufacturing hubs in the country. Today is also about strengthening India-Dubai collaboration. We are especially honored to have Dubai Economy and Tourism as a partner in this initiative. Dubai has long been a gateway for global trade and key destination for Indian businesses looking to expand internationally. Through this collaboration, we aim to strengthen the ties between India's manufacturing sector, Dubai's thriving economic ecosystem, unlocking new opportunities for trade, investment, and growth. The UAE has always been one of India's most important trade partners, and this partnership further solidifies the economic bridge between India and Dubai. Through this initiative, our goal is very clear. One, to honor and celebrate the businesses driving India's manufacturing renaissance. Two, to showcase the immense contribution of Indian manufacturers in the world. Let us take a moment to recognize and celebrate these visionaries. And can I have a big round of applause to everybody who's getting felicitated today? As I conclude my remark, I would like to definitely touch upon two topics, or two stories on how I would remember Dubai. It's a personal story. It's nothing to do with DET, but I thought I'll share my personal story. The first is the story of suitcase. I don't know if the suitcase comes. It's a lousy looking suitcase. So Dubai's reputation as one of the safest cities became personal when my daughter misplaced a suitcase at a shop while she was playing with a display iPad. So we got to the airport and she was playing, and then we had to get into a taxi, go to the hotel, and 6-7 hours later, we realized the suitcase is missing. So we went to the usual lost and found and everything, and then we thought, okay, fine, let's go and check the shop again. And we found the suitcase exactly at the place next to the iPad. So, so that was quite interesting, and there it was untouched, exactly where it is. In most cities, possibly the suitcase would have vanished, but in Dubai, it simply waited. So that's the first story. Then the second story, it was such an honor for us. We, as a family, we had the opportunity to meet His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum in an elevator. What are the odds? So we were at, I think that photo should be here. Yeah, this photo sort of became viral in Dubai. So we were at Atlantis on our last, we were in Dubai for a year. So this was the last day sort of for that year in Dubai. And His Highness just comes to the lift, and he was so grounded. He chats with us, talks about us, talks to us, and takes nice photo, talks to our daughter, and so on. So for us, that was just a very warm, casual conversation. And this wasn't just about meeting a leader. It was a glimpse into Dubai's essence, a leadership that stays grounded. And this, I truly believe, from my personal perspective, are some of the reasons why Dubai is on top of its game. I won't say much more. I think I'll let Mohammed speak about it. But once again, congratulations to all the winners, and thank you very much for joining us. I think your presence means a lot to us, and I look forward to meeting each one of you later. Thank you very much.